what's up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome here as well. And if you want to be a part of my life and family, go ahead and subscribe and also follow me on my socials. As you could tell, I'm kind of in a rush right now because it's actually my birthday today. But yeah, I don't have too much time to get ready. But I still wanted to like record me getting ready for this because, like, you know, it's men's. I'm turning 25. Like, quarter life crisis. It's kind of crazy and I feel, I don't know, but I love the age 25, but I just want to stop here now. Like, I don't want to get any older than 25. 25 is perfect. But anyways, 10:24 right now. I was supposed to get ready by 10:30, but obviously yeah, but then plans changed, so I have a little bit more time, but still, like, I don't have time. But before that, I do need to do what I gotta do, but I got some goodies from YesStyle, so let me go ahead and unbox this with you. I'm restocking on my Medicube Pore Pad, Mix and Bead Essence. Also, I'm kind of sick, guys. I don't know if you can tell, but Roman Eyeshadow Palette, Petty Peta Tint, Course X Pimple Patch. I have no idea what this was. Oh! I got this double eyelid maker. Yeah. A blush from Lily by Red. And of course, my favorite Astura Relief Cream by Dr. Althea. My favorite sunscreen from Skin 1004. And I got more sunscreen because they're doing 1+1 sale right now. So, like, might as well just restock on them to the max so I just never need to buy them again. Fui Duo Blush, Roman Tint. Oh my gosh. This, I've been waiting for it. It's in Tree. An influencer that I follow, she like only uses this and her face is like glowing, so I was like, I gotta get it. So I'm really excited to try this. Duty to highlight and contour. I do want to try using this, but girl, you don't have time. Oh, this is so pretty. What the heck? I need to charge my phone first of all. Oh my gosh, important announcement. I have a giveaway going on my Instagram. All the details on how to like do this is like down below in the description box. The main like platform for this giveaway is on Instagram, so yeah, don't forget to check it out. There's a lot of K-beauty goodies, okay? I'm trying to get ready in 30 minutes. I don't know if that's possible, but let's make it possible, you know? I don't think that's possible because I don't know what to wear, guys. I usually plan my outfits the night before, but yeah, I couldn't plan it yesterday because I kind of slept late. But also, today's really cold. It's like 50 degrees and I think it's gonna rain too. So, bro, why is it like this? It's March. I'm gonna spray setting spray so it could be even longer lasting because this foundation itself is already really long lasting. But, okay, what's next? What's next? Ooh, oh no, I need to wash my brushes. Usually when I'm getting ready like this and I know what to wear, I take about like hour and a half to get ready. I feel like I'm so rushed, but my hands are not moving too fast, but in my brain, it's like moving fast. Well, today, I don't know what I'm doing today because my boyfriend is gonna surprise me, but I know that we're going to LA. I wish I'm not stressing you out right now because I don't want my stress to reach all the way to you. That is in the other side of the screen. Cute, cute. Okay, I'm doing this makeup so well. My boyfriend is texting me, but I'm so sorry. I cannot look at it right now. I'm very busy. Okay, but let's see if it's anything important. So we were gonna eat lunch at home. That's why I had more time, but now he wants to go to Courage Bagel. So, okay. And he said he's gonna be here in 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Okay. Oh, did I even answer him? Did I respond? Oh my gosh, okay, yeah, okay, cool. Oh my gosh, okay. Elaine, you got it. Patience is the key. Okay. But also, guys, this is my daily life because I rush every morning because I oversleep like every day. Doing good. Oh my gosh, wait. I'm doing so well. Well, I've been really liking these two combo these days, so I'm just gonna go with this. I kind of have an idea of what I want to wear, but I do want to wear a skirt, like long boots, maybe like stockings because it's cold. But I don't know what to wear for the top, but I don't want to be cold because I'm like pretty close to like getting sick. Okay, you're too far, huh? You want to see my makeup, right? Okay, let's zoom in. Let's zoom that in. Honestly, I don't care too much about the details today. It's just as long as I have some type of makeup on. I need some orange juice. I don't want to get sick. Please cooperate with me, eyeliner. Not bad, not bad. Guys, this morning my housemate surprised me with some breakfast and like a birthday cake. So I was super happy about that. And then I'm gonna use a tint first. I need it to stay longer. Hello?
Hello, I'm here.
Okay.
I have a surprise for you.
Oh, okay. I'll be back.
What's up, guys?
My boyfriend's here now, and thankfully he said I have a little bit more time. But still, I'm in a rush. And on top of this, I'm gonna use the SBR. I feel like it's kind of gonna look strong, but I'd rather have it strong, so it could be a little bit long lasting. I'm gonna use my favorite lashes from Every Lashes, Patent Pending, my go-to. I have not yet found lashes that suits me better than this one. Let it dry, let it dry, let it dry. Okay, the eyelashes are on. They're giving me a really pretty double eyelid, which I really, really appreciate. It's like, I think I'm done, right? Ish? Huh? Highlighter. What time is it?
11:02.
11:02. 11:02. Okay. Guys, we went to dance workshop yesterday. And Dan killed it. I think I'm done with makeup. That was really fast. Okay, let me go turn on my straightener. Let's go ahead and put a hair oil first so it don't die. Guys, you guys know how I clip my hair like to get volume? I don't know if I want to do that today because I haven't been doing it since I like cut my hair because it gives me enough volume, like the hairstyle. Oh my gosh, I look like my mom right now. I hear you guys whispering. What are you guys talking about?
Secret.
Okay.
No, I was just asking, so what are you guys doing today?
Just do like this. Do you see that? Little bump. Alright, like I said, I wanted to wear like a skirt, so probably I'll just go like simple black because my boots will be black too. And because it's cold, I'm gonna wear stockings. My priority today is to be warm. So I just wore that and then I wore the heat tech. I don't know if I'm honestly vibing this though. I am actually not vibing this at all. Is blazer the vibe?
Oh wait, that's kind of us. Maybe you could wear a sweater under that. Get a dark
Sweater under that. Good idea. Okay guys, I just put in like a mock neck, like turtleneck, whatever, in, and this is going to be my fit with like long boots. Hey. And for perfume, I'm gonna put on Versace today. Versace on the floor. Hey, 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 hey. As you can tell, I don't feel too rushed anymore. I think because I'm wearing something that's kind of like more top on the neckline, I'm gonna try to go for like a longer necklace. Okay, just like the oh! Why are you judging me? Yeah, I'll just put on these two rings. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was fun. If you have any questions or any video recommendations, please comment down below. And don't forget to participate on the giveaway, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
sweater.